Yeah, this was the question. Plot the following points x comma y given in the following on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axes. Table is this. Draw this table, everyone. -2, x is -2, y is 8, -1, 7, 1, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 0. Now students, tell me, if x is -2, y is 8, what is first point? First point will be -2 comma 8. Second point will be -1 comma 7. Third point will be 1 comma 3. And fourth point 3 comma -1. And last point will be 2 comma 0. Because how we are taking the points? If we are combining x and y, then it will become points. Means x comma y is equal to, first point has come, -2 comma 8, -1 comma 7, 1 comma 3, 3 comma -1, and 2 comma 0. Now this point I want to plot on the graph paper. Everyone open graph paper. Start plotting, everyone. If I am plotting any graph, firstly I want to draw axis, horizontal axis and vertical axis. This is called vertical axis, y dash, y dash. Next, this is called horizontal axis, x dash. Now, what is the highest value of plus x? Highest value of plus x is what? 2. This is 0.12. Highest value of minus x, -2, -1, -2. Highest value of plus y, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last will become 7. Right. Then what is the highest value of minus y? -1. Now we want to plot the graphs. First point, x is -2, y is 8. X is -2 and y is 8. It will go up also. x is minus 2, y is 8, means this point will come. This is the point. This point is minus 2 comma 8. Next, x is minus 1, y is 7. X is minus 1, y is 7. X is minus 1 is here and y is 7. This point is called minus 1 comma 7. Third point, x is 3, y is minus 1. The value of x is 3 and y is minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. Next, x is 2, y is 0. X is 2, y is 0. This point. I have taken scale 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Always will mention the scale right side to the corner. Right side to the corner. One unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, students, completed. Next, example second. Example second. Example second. Write the name of the figure. Example second. Write the name of the figure. Write the name of the figure formed by joining the points joining the points formed by joining the points points he has given. First point he has given 4 comma 0, next point 4 comma 4, third point minus 4 comma 4, fourth point minus 4 comma minus 4, and 4 comma minus 4. Also find its area. Also find its area. Also find its area. Firstly, I will write the points which point he has given. First point he has given 4 comma 0, 4 comma 4, minus 4 comma 4, minus 4 comma minus 4, and 4 comma minus 4. This point we want to plot on the graph paper. Okay, I am going to plot this all this point on the graph paper. Y-axis, x-axis, plus x highest value is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus x highest value minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, plus y highest value 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4 highest value, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now we will plot this point on the graph. How to plot? Firstly, I will check first point he has given x. First point is 4 comma 0. X is 4, y is 0. This is the first point. Next 4 comma 4. X is 4, y is 4. Next minus 4 comma 4. X is minus 4, y is plus 4. Minus 4 comma 4. Next point, x is minus 4, y is plus 4. Completed. Third point, x is minus 4, y is minus 4. Down. Minus 4 comma 4. Minus 4 comma minus 4. Next point, x is 4, y is minus 4. X is 4, y is minus 4. Down. Now we want to join these points. This figure is looking like square. This figure is looking like square. Now I want to find out area of a square. Area of a square is equal to side into side. What is side here? Left side is 4, right side is -4. Means left 4 plus 4. Length is what? 8 units, 8 centimeter. Then area of a square is equal to side into side. 4 into 4 is equal to 16 square units. Mention scale here. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Draw this figure, everyone, fastly. Yeah. Next, note down, everyone. Area of square is equal to side into side. A side is square. Left side length is 4 centimeter. Right side length is 4 centimeter. Total length is what? 8 centimeter. 8 into 8. 64 square units. Hence, area of square is 64 square units.